Running Facebook and Instagram ads can be powerful for small and mid-sized businesses, but managing them manually is time-consuming. Testing creative, adjusting budgets, and optimizing performance every day can eat up hours. That is why ad automation tools like AdEspresso and Revealbot exist. AdEspresso, built by Hootsuite, is designed for simplicity and clarity. It is perfect for marketers who want to manage Facebook and Instagram ads without getting lost in complex dashboards. AdEspresso helps you create, test, and analyze campaigns easily, all through a clean, guided interface that feels more approachable than Meta's native ads manager. One of AdEspresso's standout features is its A/B testing power. It allows you to test dozens of ad variations at once, different headlines, images, calls to action, and audiences. The platform automatically identifies the best-performing combinations and directs more budget to the winners. This makes it ideal for small teams that want to experiment without constantly monitoring campaigns. The reporting tools are another highlight. AdEspresso turns performance data into visual, easy-to-read insights. You can quickly see which ads, audiences, or placements drive the best results. For SMBs that need to explain performance to clients or stakeholders, these reports make that conversation simple and data-driven. Now let's talk about Revealbot. Revealbot takes automation to the next level. It is built for marketers who already understand Meta Ads Manager and want to scale their campaigns efficiently with advanced rules, scripts, and real-time optimization. Revealbot connects directly to Meta's ad platform, letting you automate almost anything. You can create custom rules that adjust budgets, bids, and ad sets based on performance data. For example, you could set a rule to increase spending by 20% when your return on ad spend crosses a target threshold, or pause ads automatically when cost per lead rises above a certain point. This level of control is powerful for SMBs that manage multiple campaigns and want predictable, data-driven adjustments happening in the background. Revealbot supports complex logic, allowing you to combine multiple conditions into a single automation. It can even manage ads across platforms like Google, TikTok, and Snapchat, making it a strong choice for businesses that advertise beyond Meta. If your business is already running consistent ad campaigns and you want to save time through advanced automation, Revealbot is the smarter choice. It gives you full control over rules, budgets, and scaling, ideal for teams that want precision and efficiency as they grow. Both tools help small businesses get more from their ad spend. AdEspresso gives you clarity and confidence. Revealbot gives you control and automation. Either way, you move from guessing to optimizing, and that is what turns good campaigns into great results.